Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on. If you're new here, thanks very much for coming along. Unfortunately, today's video is coming from indoors, and as you can see by the kids' whiteboard, the video is my 5 favourite things about wild camping. Before anybody says anything about my handwriting, it is my handwriting. It's just unfortunate the way I write. It's not the kids. So I'll talk you through, obviously, my 5 favourite things, and we'll take it from there. I'll put a wee montage of clips over everything. But without further ado, coming in at number 5 is this. For me, the tent. Very important bit of equipment, obviously, if you're out camping, but the phoxx 2 OEX, for me, it's got us out, started out camping, and after a long hike, and if it's raining or anything, this thing pitches in about 7 or 8 minutes. What I would say, if you've got a new tent or new to camping, get used to it, pitch it up outside in the garden or somewhere, so you're not faffing about on top of a mountain or anything in bad weather. Like I say, 7 or 8 minutes, pitches that, and after a hike or a walk, whatever you've been doing, to build a shelter in that amount of time is pretty good going. I do like OEX stuff. It does seem to be on the right side of my budget, and it's pretty good gear from what I see. So coming in at number 5 is the tent. Fully, just a wee walk around the OEX phoxx 2. All nice and tight and stuff. So coming in at number 4 is related to this. Picking a pitch, very, very important, obviously. Whenever we're out hiking, we're on the lookout for pitches. Most importantly, is it flat? Will it be dry enough so you're not camping on a swamp or anything like that there? But whenever we sort of pick a date, the WhatsApp group lights up where we're going. Are we going to get good views? It's not really important that there, but it's important to get out for us. But coming at number 4, picking a pitch, brilliant. Brilliant, that's us up now. As you see, just trying to pick a pitch now. What side of the wall to be on. See, you can sort of see the tents in the distance there. This has been the main challenge here. So we've had to come up way up past it a couple of times. Firstly, when we obviously had a look at it. So coming at number 3, chill out time. Having a wee cup of tea, the side of the mountain, or like I say, wherever you've pitched up. Very important, I think. Just to get away from it all, whatever it is, work, just busy lifestyle or whatever. Just to get up there, relax, take a night to yourself. Very, very important. Number 2, food. Now this little package is something which I've been working on. Instead of buying the meals that come in these sort of bags, I'm going to make my own. In here is breakfast. Beans, sausages, bacon, and a wee hash brown. Just broke up into it. I'm actually going to maybe put it as the cook system. There's nothing beats when you're sitting there and you're cooking it up and you just turn the wee stove on, you hear the wee flame kicking in and the wind's hammering past your tent. You're nice and safe there. Good warm meal. It's hard to beat. But we've had burgers, we've had chicken curry, we've had stir fry, we've had the wayfarer meals when we're up in the mountains. But I don't know what this wee experiment's going to turn out like, but we'll not see in this video. We'll see in a previous camping video before this video comes out, or the next one. I don't know when this video is coming out. So I'm going to put in number 2, cook system and food.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Here we go. Coming in at number 1, before I do start. These 4 things here aren't in any particular order really. You know, the tent isn't at number 5. But this one here is number 1 for me. The view. Whenever you open up your tent, wherever you are, you just don't know what you're opening up to. Could be a perfect sunrise. You could be in the clouds, aka the clag. You could be having a dank morning. Or, I don't know, maybe a sheep's just standing staring at you in the face. But whenever you open up the vestibule, the porch area, whatever you want to call it, and you just look out, it's just fantastic. So it is brilliant. And that is my number 1 reason. Well, my number 1 favourite thing about wild camping is the views. And it's just opening up the tent, because you just don't know what's out there. You can read the forecast, and as we all know, the forecast can get it wrong. But that's my number 1 thing about wild camping, the views.
Oh, it's clear anyway. Oh, there's the lads. Lovely. Oh, clear enough. Yes. Oh, may have missed a bit of sun.
So that's the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching and clicking on. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. On the whiteboard, my 5 favourite things about wild camping. And if you've noticed in the background on the TV, I'm hoping the sun isn't shining on it too much. I've put on 5 people that I've watched pretty regularly, hiking, wild camping or whatever, out camping, doing their bits. I'll put links into their channels because they're all very good. But like normally, I'll end it here. And like I always say, have a good weekend. And hopefully I'll see you out and about next weekend. Out of the house anyway.